Hey there YouTube, 85cc Master, otherwise known as Holman's Outdoor Solutions LLC, based out of Leesville, South Carolina. Today, I have a video, might be interesting to some, of this crazy funky looking white oak here. So this thing is going to completely max out my Wood-Mizer LX25. It can hold up to a 26 diameter tree, log, whatever. So, I already pushed it up to it. It's completely maxed out. I'm hoping the weight is going to hold this thing down enough and won't be going all over the place because it's so wide, my log dog down there can't even get out beside it to lock up against it to hold it tight against my stops right here. So, we'll see what it does. This mill has a 7 horsepower Kohler engine on it. We're going to see what it's made of. I got a somewhat new 9-degree hardwood cutting blade on it right now. And I'm really interested to see what it does with this white oak. So without further ado, y'all, this white oak had some nice little lines and figuring in it, as you can see right there. Cut some 8/4 thick slabs, but since it was cracked in the center of this little old log, they just split in two, which is fine. Got some more down there. Cut some 1-inch thick ones at first and then moved to 2. So follow along. I'm gonna blow these off and start playing them down into DeWalt planer. Alright y'all, here is that white oak slab after being run through the planer quite a bit. It's got some spalting action going on right there, right there. Got a little bit of snipe at the end of it. I ran it a little bit too aggressively the last pass or two, but that could be fixed with sanding it or running it through planer 1 or 2 more times gently, taking shallow bites. But come out to be a final thickness of 1.5 inches. And the other side. Letting this thing air dry, and then be dried in a dehumidifier kiln, sanded down. This would be great for stair tread, cut down to the specified size the customer would need, or a shelf. There's many different things this could be good for. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is from sawmilling to planing, getting it nice and smooth and flat. Stick around for the next one. Stay tuned. This is 85cc Master. Y'all have a good